the universe has been wrought for us by a supremely good and orderly Creator. To know that we know what we know, and to know that we do not know what we do not know, that is true knowledge. Every light has its shadow, and every shadow hath a succeeding morning. Mathematics is written for mathematicians. Finally, we shall place the sun himself at the center of the universe. At rest, however, in the middle of everything is the sun. Thus indeed, as though seated on a royal throne, the sun governs the family of planets revolving around it. For I am not so enamored of my own opinions that I disregard what others may think of them. First of all, we must note that the universe is spherical. I am aware that a philosopher's ideas are not subject to the judgment of ordinary persons, because it is his endeavor to seek the truth in all things, to the extent permitted to human reason by God. The earth together with its surrounding waters must in fact have such a shape as its shadow reveals, for it eclipses the moon with the arc of a perfect circle. I shall now recall to mind that the motion of the heavenly bodies is circular, since the motion appropriate to a sphere is rotation in a circle. Of all things visible, the highest is the heaven of the fixed stars. Nations are not ruined by one act of violence, but gradually and in an almost imperceptible manner by the depreciation of their circulating currency, through its excessive quantity. Those things which I am saying now may be obscure, yet they will be made clearer in their proper place. More stars in the north are seen not to set, while in the south certain stars are no longer seen to rise. We regard it as a certainty that the earth, enclosed between poles, is bounded by a spherical surface. Astronomy is written for astronomers. Although all the good arts serve to draw man's mind away from vices and lead it toward better things, this function can be more fully performed by this art, which also provides extraordinary intellectual pleasure. The strongest affection and utmost zeal should, I think, promote the studies concerned with the most beautiful objects, most deserving to be known. So vast, without any question, is the divine handiwork of the most excellent Almighty. Every visible object has some measure of distance beyond which it is no longer seen, as is demonstrated in optics. The massive bulk of the earth does indeed shrink to insignificance in comparison with the size of the heavens. For what could be more beautiful than the heavens which contain all beautiful things,